To use separate volume sliders for different apps in POCO M8 5G, first of all, let's open settings on my device right here. Then we can scroll down and enter sound and vibration. On the bottom of this page, there's additional settings. And right here, we want to enable adjust media sound in multiple apps. Then there's multiple audio sources. Don't adjust media volume during incoming notifications or while audio from other sources is played. You can also enable this, but it won't have much change. It's just a personal thing. So now when we have the first option activated, we can go back and open YouTube. Now, as you can see, I have video playing, and to adjust the volume for YouTube separately or for any other app, you need to have that playback on. So we need to start playing this video. Then click on the volume slider and select the speaker that shows up on the left side of your screen. And then there's a YouTube slider. As you can see, you can volume it down or volume it up however you like. And you can do it with most of the other apps as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.